Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit bank statement PDF in 2025. So for that, first of all, you need to have a PDF editor. So we will be using a free online PDF editor for today's video. So for that we will search for SEJDA, Sejda, and here as you can see, Sejda helps with your PDF task. We'll have to click on that, and just in this section you have to click on edit a PDF document. It's free, and you have to upload your statement file by clicking on the upload PDF file. As you can see, it's bank statement. I will click on that and it will open the bank statement. So as you can see, it opened the PDF file for me. So now you can just edit anything you want to edit, like you can edit the branch name if there's any problem with the branch name. You can also change your address, and you can also change the print date or account number if it's misprinted or something like that. So you can also change or edit your name if they write it or did any spelling mistake. You can just simply click on the name and just edit it like this. And you can also edit the information here. I will not suggest you to edit any information about the monies because it will not be legal. So try to edit what is wrong about your information or personal information or the address or the cell number. So don't edit anything like the date or the transaction description or debit credit or balance information. So after that you have to click on apply changes, and it's showing your task is proceeding and your document is ready. So you can see your document here. If anything's wrong, so you can re-edit it back to edit by clicking on back to editing. And if it's okay, now you can just simply click on download. It will start downloading, and here as you can see, it already downloaded. So you click on that and boom, your edited file is here, and it's completely for free. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.